Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
So, how are you?
Good.
Spectacular.
Great. So, I've called this meeting as I have something to share with both of you.
Yes, please.
What?
So, guys, the matter is that I have observed that I will be in loss of 78%. And if it goes in the same manner, we will be doomed.
That's true. We
Yeah,
all have
correct.
expectations.
Oh, that's for sure.
I'm so irritated because of this thing. We have to do something as soon as possible. And I am expecting a plan from your side too. So give me something, guys, because these things are irritating me a lot.
See, we don't have that much percentage on the profit you earn. We should not be hampered by the market fluctuations, right?
Now, see, sir, my firm is a reputed firm in the market. We all make various parts of the product and give it to you. And most of the profit are run by you. So, I think that this is your part to take care of us. Please, sir, we're working for you. I understand profit making is technically on the partners. Hence, we should not the one who should be suffering because of you.
Oh, really? Is it? Guys, let me make this thing simple. I have been doing this for the sake of your firm. My company
What is your
the
plan?
one who
See,
pays for
we don't
you
want
people.
to hurt your feelings.
Your company is surviving because of me and my firm.
Please,
Understand?
you're getting
Let me
angry.
complete first. So I was telling you guys, you all get from what I make and what I sell. You all depend on me and my firm. If in any case we shut down, you all have to suffer a lot.
See, closing down of your firm means we all get the loss of at least 80%. We all have to close the firms too. You need to understand it.
Yes, sir. He is the key to the survival of our firm.
Now,
Yeah, please suggest.
now you have come to the point.
Tell us what is the plan.
So guys, we should be working hard. More
Okay,
and
what
more.
actions should we take now?
We should be doing something, a good marketing plan and some campaign, some hoardings, something to attract more and more people for the profits. We have to invest to come out from this trouble.
Invest. So do we need to give money for the same thing?
But this will need a lot of money.
Of course, exactly.
Oh, great.
What?
Yeah, it's obvious, guys. See, if I am earning, that means you are earning. You all are because of me. If I am not there, then you will be finished. Mark my words.
So you are telling that your firm is the mother for us, right? And we should be invest in marketing you and your product so that we get more earning. Is it?
This is obvious.
Is this some kind of blackmailing?
Okay.
If you're not there for me, we will find someone else for you guys. Okay?
Oh my god, you replace us.
Sorry. It's all business.
Okay, fine.
What
Yes.
fine?
The
We're
competitor, our
Shut up.
rival, is stronger than us. How is he stronger? Which way? We have to do something to bring him down. Think of something, guys.
I want to say that why don't we make the product by ourselves? We invest a lot of money and make it and sell it in the higher price. In today's market, whatever we provide, there is a competition. On the other hand, if you see the competitor firm, they make all the things by their own and sell it to the customer in their less
Yes,
price.
and the product quality is much better than us.
Yes, exactly. Better quality and price. That's it. They do less marketing and then also they get a lot of customers on their side.
In that case, I don't have anything to pay to you all. As I need some amount for myself, my business, my firm.
Now, means if we invest in the marketing, then also we will not earn profit. We will be in loss because this product is better than
Great.
us. Now, why don't we improve the quality of the product and see with less marketing, we are able to reduce the price.
Improving quality is the worst plan.
But we should be doing something.
But that is the best thing we can do.
And then what? Your profit will be less. And then your firm will be closed down slowly.
Soon
And
we all
all
will
the
be gone.
things gone. We can't do that.
I think we should kill.
Huh?
What?
What? Oh my god. Doing this? Now we're criminals?
No, you're not. But I am.
Now who's talking?
See, I have done a lot of stupidity, starting from nothing. I can never go down. If anyone comes in my way, I will show him highway.
See, I think killing is not a good idea. Please. I'm upset if someone knows about that, then people are there, media is there, we'll be in trouble.
So good. Do you have any
Please,
plans
please,
then?
please. Just calm down.
Nice joke, idiots.
But we can't do this. It's
See,
illegal.
everything is illegal. what we are doing right now is illegal too. And what I'm telling you is also illegal. So there is no matter whatever we do, everything is illegal.
No one else will be there in the market. No one else will be taken. And people will have to take our product. Jhak maar ke. No one else will be
Killing
there.
is the best option we have right now. He is our competitor. If we will kill him, then we will remove the competition. It's that simple. No waste of money in the marketing and all the hectic things. All the work will be gone as it is. No hard work. We don't have to reduce the price of the product. As the competitor is dead, then we are the sole people selling the product in the market. You understand?
Maybe he is right.
No, 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 no. You also. Please, no. Killing is not a good thing. We should not be doing this. No, this is very bad. We have to suffer in future for this. Why don't we think something of better idea? Killing is not our way. We will kill him today. Someone else will be our competitor. And then what? Kill him too? My God, this is bad. Very bad.
Oh God, what a
Please,
fuck
please.
you are.
No, no, no. I'm not in this with you. This is not right. Soon we all will be in trouble.
I'm telling about you.
Oh,
What are you saying?
Killing is not correct. We might fall in big trouble. I think we should kidnap him.
kidnap? Wow, great. What a plan. From killing to kidnapping.
Shut
You're
up.
going to make me a criminal.
Listen, just listen.
Okay, you got me ears now.
Killing might create a big issue in future, and we will be in big trouble, as killing might leave some strains. See, I just want that we should not fall in trouble, and then even if we kill him, then people will love him more. He is our competitor. No one will spare us if we kill him. No one will remain silent. They will find us and we will be in trouble. So we should kidnap him and torture him and then finish him. He will have to wind up his firm. Some simple kidnapper will do this for all of us, for our good.
Please, can we remove the torture part from this?
You keep your mouth shut, okay? And yes, that is for sure. We can't do that. I actually have someone who is capable of doing this, and he is very good in that. I have seen his work. He will not leave a single proof about what we are and what we do. Okay? No one will know. So I think he's good, and I'm ready for this. Are you?
That's great. Good. Get him ready for this. Let's give him money and demolish the firm.
No. I'm ready. I'm ready for the earlier plan you said about marketing. I think that is good idea.
Just shut up. Just give them money. You will not be in trouble. Okay, bye.
No. Please, come on. Shit, man. Kutte sale.
#441। कौन सेंड करता है ये सब फिल्मी बातें? कितना सफिस्टिकेटेड है। वाओ, विल साला कैसे करे? कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा। मारना भी नहीं है। मारना होता तो टेंशन नहीं था, एक ही बार में हो जाता। किडनैपिंग करना है, फंसने की चांसेस है। साला पैसा भी तो बहुत ज़्यादा है। एक बार ये कर लिया फिर कोई काम करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। पूरा ज़िंदगी ऐसी है। समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। बंदा फेमस भी है तभी तो टेंशन हो जाएगा। ऐसा करना पड़ेगा कि इसको फिर हर कोई पहचानेगा। इसका डिटेल भी अभी नहीं मिल, बोल रहा है बाद में दूंगा। कैसे करूं? मैं तो खाली होलोग्राम बनाने में एक्सपर्ट हूँ। होलोग्राम बना के मैं तो कर लूंगा, लेकिन उसका किडनैपिंग थोड़ा दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा। देखते हैं यूट्यूब में कुछ तो नया होगा। देखते हैं क्या होता है। नया टेक्निक यूज्ड हुआ है। यही रहेगा मेरा मास्टर प्लान। इस टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज करके किडनैप करना पड़ेगा। थोड़ा मेहनत करना पड़ेगा। कुछ तो करते हैं। और क्या हो सकता है? तीसरा क्या रहेगा? यही है मेरा मास्टर प्लान। इसी सब होगा किडनैपिंग। इसी से मैं सब कुछ सफल करूंगा। इसी होलोग्राम की मदद से मैं उसको इतना फोर्स करूंगा कि वो अपना कंपनी बंद करे और मुझे सक्सेस मिले। मुझे भी नहीं फंसना है इसमें। सब कुछ सामान आ गया। काम स्टार्ट करें। सॉफ्टवेयर काम कर रहा है। इसका फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन भी चल रहा है। चलो अभी चेक करते हैं मेरे फेस को डिटेक्ट करके काम करता है कि नहीं। चलो डिटेक्ट करेगा या नहीं, चेक करते हैं सही से काम कर पाता है कि नहीं। यस, हो गया। पहली बार देख रहा हूं मेरे फेस को डिटेक्ट करने का काम कर रहा है। पहले तो साला सिर्फ गाड़ी के सामने खड़ा हो जाता था और डर के मारे आदमी का एक्सीडेंट होके मर जाता था। मजा आया। अब तो चैलेंज आ गया है कि दूर से मोबाइल से मैनेज करना है। देखते हैं, मजा आएगा। अब तो दूर से मोबाइल से मैनेज करना है। देखते हैं। दिन रात मेहनत करके ये डिवाइस बनाया। एक तो मैं मोबाइल के साथ कनेक्ट करूंगा, एक को मैं लैपटॉप के साथ कनेक्ट करूंगा। देखते हैं मेरे मोबाइल के कमांड के हिसाब से लैपटॉप को कमांड करता है कि, और उसके हिसाब से ये चलता है कि। चलो चेक करते हैं। मैंने इतना एडवांस सॉफ्टवेयर बनाया, ये सब लगाने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है। मैं इसके बगैर ही काम कर लूँगा। फाइनली आई डिड इट ऑफिस। चल भैया। इतना दूर काफ़ी है। अब यहाँ से मैं चेक करता हूँ मेरा फेस डिटेक्ट करता है कि नहीं करता है। चेक करता हूँ लैपी पे। मोबाइल से तो रिकॉर्ड किया था, देखते हैं हुआ है या नहीं हुआ है। मैं तो कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ। अब मैं मोबाइल से मैनेज कर सकता हूँ। अब तक मैं जो भी बनाया सब कुछ सक्सेसफुली काम किया है। अभी इसको आगे कैसे करना है, कोई नहीं, हो जाए। प्रोजेक्टर, वीडियो होलोग्राम प्रोजेक्टर। अभी मुझे मेरा होलोग्राम नॉर्मल आदमी की तरह करना है, मूवमेंट करवाना है, तो मुझे 10-12 मिनी होलोग्राम प्रोजेक्टर का ज़रूरत होगा। प्रोजेक्टर को मैं ऑर्गेनाइज करूँगा तो सही तरीक़ा से वो काम करेगा। इसका मतलब काम हो जाएगा। खरीदते हैं, चलो। प्रोजेक्टर ले लिए हैं, चलो देखते हैं। अब इसको प्लेस करेंगे। ये सॉफ्टवेयर के वजह से होलोग्राम के सॉफ्टवेयर के इंटरफेस से डिटेक्ट होके काम हो जाएगा। सब प्रोजेक्टर को सही तरीका से लगा दिए हैं, चलो चेक करते हैं। आधा ही आया, आधा कहाँ गया? चेक करना पड़ेगा।